Hey gang, Jason here for The Love of Tractors, and I got a box today from my buddy Kyle Nunemaker at Nunemaker Steel Company. You might know Kyle as Punky K's Animations over on Instagram. He's working on a website to kind of sell his 3D parts. He sent me some pretty cool stuff today. So let's take a look first at this headache rack. So this is for your pickup truck, obviously. Nice detail there. Sorry, my camera's not focusing very well. It's probably focusing on my hands and not the headache rack. So I kind of took the liberty here of, he sent me 2 of these. And just for fun, I just wanted to see if it would fit on another truck. And it did. So it actually fits really nice on this Nissan Tundra. It's maybe a little tall for it, but I think it's going to work great on some others. Now, obviously, you're going to do this on like more of a flatbed type trailer or something like that. But I've got an idea with this truck in particular for that headache rack, so I'm excited about that. Anyway, as you can see, if it would quit focusing on my fingers, it's nice. I like them. Good job on those. Those look great. Then I'm gonna go with this first. So it's a forge. Check that out. It's even got the pass through. How cool is that? Nice detail here. How cool is that? So you've got your little propane bottle at the bottom. I assume that would be propane anyway. Not a blacksmith, but if I'm wrong, Kyle can tell us down below in the comments maybe. What great detail on this thing. That's so neat. Anyway, another great job. I got a place for this on Dogtown, so we'll get that put over there here one of these days. I'm going to have to see what kind of detail painting I need to do on this, so I'll have to find some pictures of a real one on the internet, but that's super cool. That's just some amazing detail. He printed that at his home printer too. Sorry about the weird camera focus thing going on there, but man, what great detail. That's so cool. Good job, man. I'm impressed how you got that, especially like these lines up here. Those would have broke on me if I tried to print that. So that's awesome. Now here, we're going to go even smaller. Even cooler. We got a hammer. Of course, I mean, if you're going to be blacksmithing, you got to have a hammer, right? Look at that. I mean, you can even see the detail there. Gosh, that's cool. That oh, I don't know how he did that. That's awesome. That's so cool. Yeah, so last and definitely not least is the anvil stand and the anvil. There we go. Come on. You can do it with the zooming and all that stuff. There it goes. Maybe. Yeah, check out that anvil. There it goes. Excellent. It keeps... Okay, I'm going to move this because I think it's trying to focus on the text there. Is what it's doing. Look at the detail on that. Very cool. It's even got, has that got the little rollers on it? I believe it does. Or it's like little feet, I guess. Wow, cool. Very cool. So I got a place for that too. Yeah, you can definitely expect that on Dogtown very soon. Cool. All right, anyway, thanks, Kyle. I appreciate that. Wanted to do a video. This is the first time looking at these. I mean, I literally just unpackaged them, set them in front of the camera, and that's what we ended up with. So we got to find a place for that Nunemaker Steel decal. It's going to be super cool. Find a good spot for that. And yeah, so anyway, like I said, check out Punky K's Animations. Like I said, he's working on a website. Lots of cool stuff. Really talented designer. And I appreciate everything, Kyle. Appreciate you sending those over to me to give them a look over. So thank you. And everybody, have yourselves a great day. And happy tractor hunting.